Hello, it's Wendy Lee. Hello. I am getting ready to open my new box of goodies that I just got in the mail today. So I don't know if anybody's going to join me, but that's okay if they don't. We're going to get started anyway, and we'll see how that goes. So I think I had mentioned in the event that demonstrators do have an opportunity to order from the new catalog early. So this is what I ordered from my product purchase premiere. So you're seeing it the first time that I'm seeing all these goodies. So here we go. Let's get this open. Woo! Yay, yay, yay. I love opening a Stampin' Up box with lots of new goodies in it. Okay, so let's get all this out of the way. So you're gonna see I have the Best Catch stamp set here, but that is one that is carrying over. That's in the current occasions catalog. Since it's a bundle currently, I wanted to go ahead and get it before it retires. So that is what I ordered, or one of the things I ordered. So that's why you see this in here, is that I'm going to use this in my November, oh goodness gracious, my May Forget-Me-Not class. So that's that one, and I believe that there is a set of dies to go with it in this box someplace. So we'll see how that is going. Hopefully you guys can see that I'm live and I am actually in the event. Yes. Okay. So let's see what else we've got. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is one of the new stamp sets called A Good Man. Love the images in this set. Very versatile. It's got some great sentiments. Can't wait to use this for some of my upcoming masculine cards. Okay, and then next is the Magnolia Lane Memories and More kit. Let's just open all of this and see what we've got. Maybe I can open it. Well, I'm going to get out my knife here. See if I can open it. I'd have done this all ahead of time, but I wanted you guys to see it when I see it. I'm super excited about it. Although the packaging is pretty darn strong, I'd say. Okay, finally, plastic is off. So this is Magnolia Lane Memories and More card pack. Dump that out. Oh, more plastic wrap. I'll have to open those. But lots of great cards in this one, it looks like. I'll have to open that and we'll see what all those cards are at some point. I don't want to keep you all too late tonight, so I will keep going, but we might circle back to that one. Okay. This is one of the new dies. This is the Smooth Sailing dies. I'm going to hold off and show you that in a minute. Wild Rose. Catch of the Day, that goes with my fish set. Magnolia Memories. So we will look at those as we get to those stamp sets. I'll open those. This is another new one, Above the Clouds. I'm super excited. This has a punch. So there should, yes. So there is a coordinating punch. So this will be another one of the new great bundles. I'm excited about this one. It's got a nice watercolor background, really nice font. And I read in the catalog that you can use this punch to add to your Magnolia set by building 3D Magnolias. So we'll have to take a crack at that one and see how that goes. Oh, I'm seeing new color ink pads. These are the new in colors. A nice purple posy, which is a light purple. Rococo Rose, really nice dusty rose color. Seaside Spray, which is a really nice light blue. Terracotta Tile. And then Pretty Peacock. I think the Pretty Peacock is going to be my favorite. I don't know if you're like me, but I loved Tranquil Tide. And I'm going to love this even more because it's a little more blue, so a little more my style.